All right, welcome back everyone for our 8th annual Stormwater Awareness Week pledge drawing. So what we're going to do here, just to give you a refresher on how we're pulling these, we've got our bingo balls here, and these are going to represent the number of entries for each prize. We're going to throw them into our bingo ball wheel here, and what we'll do is we have listed all of the entries as they came in and assigned each of them a bingo number. So for the first one we're going to be drawing is going to be for the Universal Spill Kits. So we have a total of 8 entries for that one. So I will be pulling the first 8 balls out of here and placing them in the wheel, and we'll come back here in a minute and see who our winners are. All right, we got our 8 balls in here. Just pan back over, show you that the 8 balls are off of there. Okay, we're gonna try to give this a quick turn to mix them up. Pulling 4. All right, what do we got here? Oops, there's my camera lens. B4. We got number 8. Number 7. And number 5. All right, so we've got 4, 5, 7, and 8 are our winners for the Universal Spill Kits. So we will mark these folks here on our sheet. Four, 5, 7, and 8. All right, so congratulations to Catherine, Jenny, Lauren, and Elise. We will be in touch with you via email, and you're welcome to come to the office anytime to claim your prize. All right, everybody, welcome back for our second drawing. This drawing is going to be for our salt bucket kits, which come with a snowplow snow pusher and a couple cups for helping measure out salt should you decide you need to use some. It also comes with a broom to help collect any of that leftover salt that you don't use fully. You may not know, but you can definitely reuse your salt, so that's why the bucket's there, to scoop that back in and reuse it again when you need it. That also helps prevent the next rain event from catching that and washing it down into the storm sewer. So before we get started, I want to give a special shout out to Marley Nelson. Marley sponsored a salt kit for us this year, and so I just wanted to say thank you. By sponsoring a kit, you just help defer some of the costs, and it also allows us to offer up more kits to folks. So thank you so much, Marley, for helping us celebrate Stormwater Awareness Week. And if you would like to do similar, you can simply go to our website and the Stormwater Awareness Week page, and there's a sponsor a kit button there, and that'll give you an option to sponsor either a salt bucket kit or a Universal Spill Kit. So with that, we'll get started on this drawing. So again, we had a total of 13 entries for our salt bucket kits, and so I've taken the rest of the balls through number 13, and we've placed them in our wheel, and we're going to give this a little spin to mix them up. And we're drawing 3 winners from this. Okay, those are 3. Let's see who we have. Number 11. Number 2. And number 7. So let's get that there. Oops. All right, 2, 7, and 11. So what we're gonna do here is mark you off on our sheet. 2, 7, and 11. 2, 7, and 11. All right. right, so congratulations to Tim, Catherine, and Lauren. You are winners for our salt bucket kits, so we'll be in touch via email and you'll be able to come to the office and collect your prizes. We'll reset here for our third prize drawing and we'll see you here in a minute. All right, folks, welcome back for our third drawing. This drawing is going to be for one of our rain barrels. This is for the rain barrel that was painted by our FSWCD staff. And so this picture I took before the barrel was done, but it is completed now. So again, just wanted to thank our staff for coordinating and painting the barrel for one of our giveaways this year. So with that, we had a total of 14 entries for this rain barrel. So again, what I've done is I've taken that 14th ball and it has been thrown into the wheel, and we're going to give this a spin to mix them up. And we are just pulling one winner for this. And it's number 7. Get my fingers on it there. Number 7. Marked here. Number 7, so congratulations, Marley. You have won our Franklin Soil and Water painted rain barrel. So we'll be in touch with you via email and you'll be able to come collect it whenever you have a chance. So thanks again, and we will be back here in a minute to pull for our next drawing. All right, everybody, welcome back for our 4th drawing. Before we get started with that next drawing, you might have recognized that the last winner's name sounded kind of familiar. That's because Marley Nelson, who just won our Franklin Soil and Water painted rain barrel, sponsored one of the salt bucket kits in the previous drawing. So Marley, there's your karma. Congratulations again. So now we can move on to our next drawing. This one is going to be for our Plant Native Plants reusable bag, and that also comes with a $25 voucher to be used on our upcoming 2026 annual plant sale. So this one we're going to be drawing 8 winners total. So we've got a total of 18 entries. Again, just showing all the balls through 18 have been entered into our wheel. So we're going to give this a little stir. Check here. Number 7. Number 14. Number 15. Number 10. Number 5. Number 1. Number 6. And number 16. All right. Let's take a little look at that. 1, 5, 6, 7, 10, 14, 15, and 16. Those are 8 balls. Those are our 8 winners. Let's mark them off here. 1, 5, 1, 5, 6, 7, 10, 14, 15, and 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there we go. 1, 5, 6, 7, 10, 14, 15, and 16. So congratulations to Laura, Rowena, Tim, Christina, Joey, Trista, Sarah, and Lauren. You all have won your very own Plant Native Plants reusable bag and a $25 voucher for the 2026 Franklin Soil and Water annual plant sale. So we will be in touch with you via email, and you can pick those up at your convenience. We'll reset here for our last drawing, which is going to be for our Inniswood painted rain barrel, and we'll see you here shortly. All right, folks, this is it. This is our last and final drawing for 2025 Stormwater Awareness Week. So this one is going to be for our rain barrel that was painted by the Inniswood Metro Gardens Junior Volunteers. I want to give them a great shout out for participating in this year. If you know of a group that would like to paint a rain barrel or do something else that you think might fit in well with Stormwater Awareness Week, please reach out to us. We'd love to talk over some options with you and get you involved for next year. A little shout out to the Inniswood Metro Gardens Junior Volunteer Program. This little fact sheet here, you can reach out to Metro Parks directly if you have some more questions or want to get involved. You can reach out directly to Jen Snyder or Gabby Power. And I'll zoom over here and just show you a picture of the rain barrel that they did. So they painted all four sides with trees and showing them in different seasons. Really great rain barrel, really creative. Really appreciate you all working on painting that for us and helping us celebrate Stormwater Awareness Week this year. So with that, we have a total of 20 entries for this drawing. And so again, you can see taken all the balls through 20, and those are now in our bin. And we're gonna give this a spin, and again, we're just pulling one winner for this. Okay, there it is. Number 4. Congratulations, number 4. Let's see who you are. Grab my highlighter. Number 4 looks like Emma. Congratulations, Emma. You've won our Inniswood Metro Gardens Junior Volunteer Rain Barrel. We'll be in touch with you via email, and you can collect that whenever it's convenient for you. So I want to give a great shout out to everyone that participated in the Stormwater Awareness Week, took the pledges, or participated in any of the activities. Again, we'll be celebrating the 9th annual Stormwater Awareness Week next October. So look for more information on that as the year progresses. And we hope you had a great time this year. I know we sure did. And looking forward to doing even more next year. Thanks again, and until next time. All right, welcome back, everybody. We're going to do a couple supplemental drawings right now. This is for any businesses that took our Water Quality Partner Pledge in 2025. Some businesses will obviously do the Stormwater Awareness Week Pledge, but this is just another way to help get some additional recognition to any of the businesses or residents that have taken voluntary pledges throughout the year on what they're going to be doing to help reduce stormwater pollution. And also, you know, especially businesses, they have a really great opportunity to educate not only their employees but also their customers. And so this program's been around since 2014, and you can find more information on our website. But essentially, a business can go here. It's free to do this. It's a voluntary pledge. You can access the pledge here. You can also see all the businesses that have taken the pledge over the years. But essentially, this again, just kind of outlining businesses get to pick some of the activities that they're going to do either in their daily operations, and as well, again, educating their customers and their staff on stormwater issues. So just want to give them a special plug. If you want to, again, you can go to our website and get some more information on this. If you know of a business that you'd like to, prompt them to take part in this, we'd love it. What businesses will get a little window cling that kind of shows their participation. They'll also get some additional information throughout the year that's geared towards particular things that businesses might run into. So restaurants get a little different messaging, etc. So with that, we're going to go over here. And so what we did, we had a total of 28 businesses take the Water Quality Partner Pledge this year. And so what we've done is I've just taken, you've seen the bingo balls for 5 rounds now. This is 28 balls, and we're going into the wheel. And what we're drawing here, we're going to do 2 different drawings. One is going to be for our spill kits, universal spill kits, and the other one for our salt bucket kits. And so these are just things that we think most businesses can utilize. So those are the 2 things we draw for. So with that, the first one is our universal spill kits, and we are going to be pulling 4 businesses with this. So let's go ahead and tumble these up. Let's see who we have. Number 8. Number 4. Number 5. And number 3. Wow, okay. 3, 4, 5, and 8 are our winners. Let's get them marked here and see who we have here. All right. Let's see here. 3, 4, 5, and 8. 3, 4, 5, and 8. All right, congratulations, Catch the Water, Suburban Animal Clinic, Status Solutions LLC, and Can't Believe It's Vegan. You all will be getting contacted via email and or phone to let you know that you have won a universal spill kit. In the event that a business does not want their spill kit, we will draw a supplemental winners as needed. But for now, those are your 4 winners for the universal spill kits. We'll reset here and we'll draw for our salt bucket kits in a minute. Okay, everybody, this is it. Promise this time this is the last drawing. So this is going to be our last water quality partner pledge drawing from the businesses that took our pledge in 2025. Again, this drawing is for our salt bucket kits, and we will be giving away 3 salt bucket kits. I guess I want to do one more plug back to Marley Nelson, who sponsored one of the salt bucket kits. So again, go to our website. You can learn for more information on how to sponsor a kit for next year. Much appreciated. And with that, we've got all of our 28 balls back into the hopper. There they are. Let's give them a spin. And again, we're pulling 3 winners today. Okay, there's 3. 12. 17. And 15. All right, 12, 15, and 17. Let's see who you are. All right, 12, 15, 17. Yep. All right, congratulations, Canal Wigwam, Westerville Dental Health, and the Back 9 Golf Columbus. You 3 have been chosen for salt bucket kits, which come with your own snowplow snow pusher and a couple salt cups for measuring out salt, and also a broom to help sweep up any salt that you didn't use and can reuse. So we'll be reaching out to you via email and or phone, and in the event that you don't want your kit, we will draw alternate winners as needed. But again, those are your 3 businesses that have won the salt bucket kits this year. And again, thanks for everyone that participated, and we look forward to seeing you again for our 9th annual Stormwater Awareness Week, October 1st, 2026.